students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. This is your science teacher, and today we will start a very interesting chapter of physics, that is electricity and circuit. Students, today we have so many things around us which works on electricity. So in this chapter we will learn about electricity. Now very first, let's see what are important topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. First, we will talk about introduction. Second, we will discuss electric cell, in which we will see structure and uses of electric cell. Third topic is torch bulb. And fourth topic is bulb connected to an electric cell. In both these topics, we will see the structure and uses of electric bulb with respect to electric cell. नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट, जिसमें हम ये देखेंगे कि एक प्रॉपर सर्किट में करंट कैसे फ्लो करता है. नाउ सिक्स टॉपिक इज इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच, एंड लास्ट वी विल सी व्हाट आर इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टर्स एंड इंसुलेटर्स. सो वेरी फर्स्ट look at this sign. This sign you might have seen on electric poles, substations and other places. Even whenever you buy an electronic item, this sign must be placed over there. Now why so? Because ये एक वार्निंग होती है कि अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को प्रॉपरली हैंडल नहीं किया गया तो इससे हमें खतरा हो सकता है. इवन वी कैन डाई ऑल्सो. सो हमें कभी भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच एंड वायर के साथ कोई भी एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए. स्टूडेंट्स, look at this picture. This picture is showing that we use electricity for many purposes to make our task easier. Today almost all the work we cannot do without electricity. But have you ever imagined that from where this electricity is coming? So this electricity is being provided to us by these power stations. But still there are some areas, there are some places where this facility is not available properly. इसी तरह से जब भी हम टॉर्च को स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो उसमें जो बल्ब लगा होता है वो लाइट अप हो जाता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर डज द टॉर्च गेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्रॉम? सो द आंसर इज दिस, इलेक्ट्रिक सेल. सो नाउ let's talk about electric cell. Students, if you unscrew this torch from the back, you would see a bulb and two or more cylindrical bodies like this, and these bodies are called electric cells. It is a source of electricity and these cells combine to make the bulb to glow. Now let's talk about the structure of cell. So for that you can take a cell from a radio transistor or torch. Now this has two terminals. One is called positive terminal and another is called negative terminals. The protruding metal cap at the one end of the cell is its positive terminal, while the flat metal base is its negative terminal. Okay, now see this picture. This protruding part is metal cap. एंड सेल के इस पोर्शन में केमिकल स्टोर होते हैं जो मैग्नीज डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन पाउडर एंड अमोनियम क्लोराइड होते हैं. एंड दीज आर कवर्ड बाय जिंक कंटेनर विच इज नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ अ सेल. इट इज सील्ड ऑन टॉप एंड कवर्ड विथ थिक पेपर और अ मेटल शीट टू प्रिवेंट लीकेज. Okay, so this seal packaging prevent leakage of chemical content in a cell. Now next, the metal cap fitted with a carbon rod is the positive terminal of the cell. The center portion is known as carbon rod and this is the positive terminal in a cell. अब कुछ स्मॉल मशीन्स ऐसी होती हैं जो सिर्फ एक सेल पे ही वर्क करती है, बट कुछ मशीन ऐसी होती है जहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा सेल की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. सो टू और मोर सेल्स are needed to operate an electric device because one cell does not provide enough energy. In the given picture, you can see more than two cells are connected. So, group of connected cell is called battery. The upper picture, this entire one battery is having two cells, and from these positive and negative terminals we connect two wires, something like this. This is an electric cell with two attached wire. So this was all about electric cell. In next video we will see the uses of electric cell in a bulb.